In this video I show how to replace a light switch in an F100. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. First thing I did was loosen up and remove the battery cable. Then you pull the knob out to get stuck. After that, you have to locate the button that's on the switch, push that in, and you'll be able to pull the knob out the rest of the way. Here I show a close-up view. So here's the button on the back of the switch. Pull the knob till it gets stuck, press the button in, and then you'll be able to remove it the rest of the way. I believe this could be done without removing the gauge cluster, but if you decide to remove it, here's the location of the screws. You'll have to go counterclockwise to remove the locking nut. After that, you should be able to just pull it out to remove it. Then you have to separate the switch from the wiring harness. Here I show the two halves, the switch and the wiring harness. There's a tab that you need to line up, and then you can just press them back together. To reassemble everything, you'll start by reconnecting the light switch to the wiring harness. Here I just wanted to show how that locking nut goes back in. It's basically like a normal screw, just clockwise to tighten it up. Line up the bezel with the word lights on top. Then run the locking nut in clockwise, tighten it all up. If removed, reinstall the gauge cluster. To reinstall the knob, you'll just have to push it in to where it gets stuck. Press the button and it should just go in the rest of the way. Push the knob into it bottoms out. Press the button. Should be able to push it in the rest of the way. Reconnect and tighten down the battery cable. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit subscribe or leave a comment.